Okay, now this piece here I'm going to paint separately. That's the walkway in the middle of the platform. So I'm going to paint that a different color. I'm going to be painting that just using a light metallic gray. So that's what I plan on doing with that. Move this out of the way. Let me give you a close-up some of the detail on these parts. There you go. That's one of the braces. Here's some of the detail on the girders. Very nice. The trusses, at least one side of the trusses. I mean, overall this is turning out to be a very nice kit, other than some incompleteness of the documentation. But let's see how this shapes up when it's all glued together. I'm going to let this dry for a little bit and then turn these pieces over and do the other side. So it for now. Alright, well these other parts are drying. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the ramp. Well, darn it, it might be a little bit too metallic. Just might be a bit too metallic for my taste. Yeah, I'll have to see how it dries. Do the other side. Alright, first thought I'd try to paint this little walkway here silver, and I found this silver metallic paint, but it's just a little too aggressive for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with something more conservative and go with the reefer gray. So I'm going to take a little paint, since I'm only going to use a little bit for this. I'm just going to put it directly via a little straw here into some cup. There's a lot. Just enough. Give it a coat. This out of the way. That's enough painting for now. So we'll let this dry and actually start putting this piece together. I'm probably going to have to give it a shot or two of black paint when I have it partially assembled. But I think this is coming together fairly well. We'll see how the rest of it goes.